Fat Boy wheels, a unique part of the Fat Boy's identity. They look absolutely amazing as long as you keep them clean and shiny. Now, I just wanted to show you today the products I use, or the product I use to keep it shiny. Clean, I think you can use any rim cleaner that gets the, you get any motorbike shampoo, or to get the brake residue off, any rim product will do. Now, as you can see, it's pretty shiny, and the reason is I've been interrupted 3 times today trying to make this video, so I'm still gonna show you what I'm using and how I use it. But yeah, so I've actually done this part. This part hasn't been done. It looks shiny, but from my angle it's not that shiny right now. So the product I'm using is Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. I found this actually on a Harley Davidson forum. It was recommended there. They put some pictures online there, and it looked really amazing. Don't remember who recommended it, but I'm really happy with the product. The result is really good, and I'm gonna put it on a small patch just to show you how it works. And basically you just rub it on and you keep rubbing and rubbing. You can add as much polish as you want. What's gonna happen is it's gonna turn dark, see? And that means that it's actually working. You can use it on the side rim. Haven't done this part yet, so just gonna do a small patch here. But the results are really, really amazing. I'm so happy with this product. I've been using it since I have the bike. I actually found it after a few weeks online, because after the first rains and when you're riding, you suddenly realize they use their original shine, which is really a shame. Then you take a clean cloth and I hope you can appreciate the difference here. Try and bring you closer. So these rims are 2 years old. They have 12,000 kilometers, and this is the way I've been keeping them as original as I could. They have some very small ships, which, you know, that's what you get when you ride. There's nothing we can do about that. I'm really happy with this product, so I don't get any commission from them. I just happen to find it. Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. Let me know what you guys use, whether you use this, whether you have something else that gives better results. Would really love to hear about it.